All right, so in this video, we'll be looking at getting your document ready for your TikTok Ads Manager business account verification. For your personal account, you can verify that using any of your national identity card or your driver's license, okay? You can as well use international passport to verify personal account, but I don't encourage that you go with personal or individual account. It's better you go with business account, okay? Now, TikTok seem to be rejecting CSC document. CSC is Corporate Affairs Commission here in Nigeria, okay? So we have to find a way, and that is using SMEDAN, SMEDAN, right? So SMEDAN document. So I'm doing this video to help you navigate the issue or the challenge most people are having accessing this document from the SMEDAN website, okay? Now, if you have tried SMEDAN before, you notice that at a point you will be asked to take your selfie. And if you've tried taking that selfie, you notice that it doesn't usually work, right? So that's why I'm doing this video. So in this video, you'll be able to get your SMEDAN certificate seamlessly, okay? So I'll be fast about that. Once you get it, you can use it to verify your Ads Manager business account. I've done it for over 100 times and it has always worked, okay? So I'm not expecting to put this video out there in the public for obvious reasons. So at the end of the day, I will be sharing the link to only those who are part of this class, okay? So what we'll do when you come here, when you click on the link that I'll give you and you come here, you quickly come here and put your business name. Just type in your business name. I want to go with this for this particular client of mine. Then you can choose a phone number, okay? I'll just put a random phone number, okay? So I'm going to be very fast, right? So you choose an email because I want to be very fast. I'll just do something. Let me say this is my email, right? Then choose a password. I'll just put a particular password. You confirm the password. So here I confirm the password. Then click on get started. It brings you to this next stage. So I'll scroll down. So this is the name we enter. This is the phone number, right? So we scroll down further. Sorry, remove it from here so you can scroll down. Then here it says your year or year of business commencement. You can choose any year. I can just say December. Let me say maybe I can go with 2027 even and say December 1, 2027. Any year you want at all. Then business address, I can just put Enugu, Nigeria, something like that. It's nothing too serious, but you can as well use your real details, right? It's not a problem, but I'm doing a tutorial and this is going to work, all right? So we scroll down. Here we select state. Since we typed Enugu, let's still select Enugu, okay? And then we come here, local government. Let's go with Enugu North. Then here, address, or rather, business premises. I normally will want to go with online because what I do is basically online, but you can choose any other thing depending on your business, right? Website, optional, so jump it. Business type, let's say that this is sole proprietorship, okay? So we come here, main product of the business. Let's say maybe, let's just say affiliate. Let me leave it at that. Then here, are you registered with CSC? Usually I will say no. Then category of business. So select here. And you can choose this, anything you want to choose, okay? So this category of business by annual turnover. So what's the annual turnover? So let's just go with this for now. You can choose anything, it will still work, okay? Then employment category, how many employees do you have? Let's say 1 to 2, but you can choose any other thing here. So 1 to 2, then we get to the next. There are just 4 stages, so we are at the 3rd stage now. So we scroll down. So what's your name? Let me just say Ben. Let me say Steve and C. Let's just leave it at that. Then here position, let's say entrepreneur. You can still write CEO or anything you feel like, right? We come to gender, let's say male, and select female if you're a female. Then age, you choose your age bracket. Maybe we can go with this, all right? Then leave every other thing as it is, right? So it's selected your address, your phone number, and your email. So let's leave everything as it is, okay? So you can put your real email. I just have to use this because of tutorial purpose, okay? So for here, there's nothing to put here. Your BVN, right? Nothing to put here. You don't need to worry about that. So you just click on next. So we are the fourth stage or the first step of this process, okay? So you scroll down, three things to put here. Your business industry. Let's just go with special services. You can choose any other thing, right? I'll go with business or consulting. Which one do I go with? Okay, let's go with educational services under here. And then let's say affiliates, right? Marketing. Okay, so we scroll down further. Just come here and click on next and allow it to load. It's submitting your details. So we are almost done, right? And you notice we didn't sign into anything, right? So when you scroll down further like this, you come to this place where it says go to dashboard. So click on go to dashboard and it brings you here. Scroll down and you see this. Click on view certificates. Automatically you will be able to see the certificates, right? So the name is there, the certificate number, this is the one you put where you have to put the certificate number. This is the name, right? So the next thing I will do is to click here to download it. Okay, just download. All right, so if you want to sign in much later, this is where we stopped, right? You can go and verify your email, but the email I use here doesn't exist even, right? So there's no need verifying anything, okay? So that is it. That's how simple it is. Then you go ahead to use your document and verify your TikTok Ads Manager business account, okay? So this is where we'll be stopping it for this particular video. Hope you are getting real value so far. Drop your review below and remember that you can affiliate this training and make cool money, all right? See you in the next video.